Guys, 3 weeks remaining to the 2023 Paratus Namibian Cycle Classic. That means you're almost out of time to get entered, because 3 weeks from now, one of the biggest cycling events on the Namibian calendar is going to be taking place. The event spans 2 weekends. The 7th and the 8th is all about the cycling. The weekend after that, the 13th and the 14th, is about the glow run, which is new, as well as the off-road walk and run. And so this year, the event really catering for everybody. No excuse for you to get outside and test your fitness on one weekend or on the other. The event has been around since 2000, and the late Dave Chase was the brainstormer behind this. He felt that the event was needed. He was part of the Rotary at the time, and it was a great way to drive the fundraising efforts of the Rotary. And over the years, as he's moved on, he handed over to Kevin Davido, who ran the event for many, many years. Kevin was a familiar face at the finish line, and lots of riders fondly remember him for how he was involved on both sides, on the cycling side as well as on the Rotary side. The legacy lives on through Dave's sons, Andy, Greg and Stephen, as well as his grandchildren and his grandsons and his granddaughter. And the event continues to grow from strength to strength every year. So get entered, follow the links at the bottom of the screen, go to the various Facebook pages. You have absolutely no excuse to be on the start line on the 7th or the 8th, or if you're a runner, 1 weekend later.
Always prepared.